from Delhi in India. Today I will tell you about Renatus Wellness Private Limited. What is the Renatus Wellness? This is the repeatest company in the world. You can say in other words, a single company serve you in supplementary food in one bottle. One bottle, many solutions. You can say in other words, only one bottle provide you many solutions. You can say in other words, we Renatus Wellness provide you multiple services in one roof. Today I will tell you what is the Renatus Nova. Renatus Nova is the most important and superior supplementary food that cure our cells and our disease because it's work on our cells. You know that our body make small cells after the tissue that organs, system, and many systems make a parts of bodies that's called system, just like respiratory system and nervous system and nervous system, external system and reproductive system. The main function, if you want to these function are worked properly and smoothly, you know which type fuel that's need our body and system. Dear friends, there's a mineral or vitamins just like our bike and car, like fuel, diesel or petrol for run. The same time we need minerals and vitamins for smooth function for our body, our brain and other functions. So what we should Renatus Nova? Why we should Renatus Nova? Today I will tell you why take Renatus Nova. Because many daily foods we take toxins, and you know that today not a multiple flow, you can say in other words, not a properly food in daily food in our food that's lacks of vitamins and minerals. We sick day by day and weakens day by day. So we weak. That's gap of fill due to lack of vitamins and minerals. We weaks and sick day by day. Due of weak vitamins, we to take Renatus Nova for fulfill. Because Renatus Nova is work in our cells and fulfill the gap of multivitamins which leak of our daily food. So we use Renatus Nova. This is not a medicine. This is a supplementary food. It's supplementary food. If your body needs many multivitamins and minerals, Renatus Nova fulfill your gaps, vitamins and minerals for your body. And today I will tell you that you can understand in other words we discuss about Renatus Nova. What's the Renatus Nova? My dear friends, I will tell you. I want to tell you Renatus Nova, the repeatest company in the world for health sector. Why? Because its company having only one product. This calls one man army, and its work in our body, cells, nails, and top to bottom, and everything's provide you for single bottles. That's enough. One bottle, many solutions. Your body for a smooth function need daily multivitamins, calcium, phosphorus. If you want to your brain smooth function smoothly, you should take Renatus Nova for smooth function. If you want to drive your stamina, you should Renatus Nova. If you want take increase your memory power, you should take Renatus Nova. So many problems solved by Renatus Nova by single product. It's not a product, it's a like थोड़ा पुश करना सकता है, not a single bottle. It's, you can say in other words, in Sanjeevani Booty. Renatus save our life, save our money, save our health. So you should take Renatus Nova for good health, because your good health, if you want to make more money, first you to be good health. If you owner in your home, just like your engine in your family, that engine should be strong, and you are engine, then you should be strong for a smooth function for your family, because you are healthy, your family is healthy. Today I will tell you about Renatus Wellness once again, because Renatus Wellness, it's run from 3rd July 2018. Today I will tell you about Renatus Wellness. Renatus Wellness. This is a land of opportunity. This is not only opportunity. You can say in other words, this is a land of opportunity. First, why you say the land of opportunity? Because Renatus Wellness is the first growing fast network marketing company in the world. It's creating good story day by day. First, single product, Renatus Nova. Renatus Nova, the single product Renatus Nova. Renatus Nova is the backbone of this company, and company has been started from 3rd July 2018. Now I will tell you about joining package. How you can associate with us, how you can associate with this company. Let's see. Renatus Wellness have 5 types entry level. You can say in other words, 5 way of entry. This is a first, you find bottle 40 bottles. Second, 18 bottles. Third, 10 bottles. And fourth, sixth bottle. And number 5th and last, 2 bottle. That's a 40 bottles entrepreneur pack. If you associate with us with 40 bottles, you can earn 16% binary income. And second, if you not eligible for 40 bottles, you can choose a second option for this company. This opportunity, 18 bottles. If you want, you associate with 18 bottles, you can earn 40% binary income. And you are not affordable even 18 bottles, you can enter this company. You can associate with the Renatus Nova, only 10 bottles. That's your binary comes 12%. If you not eligible for 10 bottles, you can purchase only 6 bottles and you get 10%. And second and last, more superior, if you not eligible for any for these, you can choose only 2 bottles, and 2 bottles 8%. Now let's know about how much money for spent to you for this. First, if you join, if you take admission of anyone, you can choose any one option of these. The company had provided you many solutions as per your choice. You can join us 2 bottles if you capable. You can 6, 10, 18 and 14. If you want 14 labels, you can choose any one product. You eligible for earning more money weekly. You can, if you want, if you choose 2 bottles, no matter, 6 bottle doesn't matter, 14 no matter, you can earn 21 lakh weekly and 84 lakh monthly. You can more, sky is no limit for money. You can more money, more. You will not think about money, a lot of money. You can a lot of money earn from here, because the concept, the beautiful concept or the concept is very fast growing. This concept is paying day by day, creating story and people for associate. More money credit in their associates in account. Many company has provided, company has bought 100%, hundreds billionaires. You can say in other words, company has started in 100 crorepati in last 3 years. This company has successfully run 3 years, and only 3 years the company has bought 100 crorepati and many more. Company has been made 100 millions in only 3 years. This is a very repeaters, and day by day he creating history in my company. This called Renatus Wellness. You can more earning option. You have more option in Renatus Wellness. You can more earning. How? First, you can earn. The company had provided 10 type of income in Renatus Wellness. This is first. Number 1 is called retail profit. Now we know what is the retail profit. The retail profit is the very simple. It's profit of MRP and DP difference. You can purchase our product in DP and you can sell it MRP. There's more difference. You earn more money by retail. And second option is named binary income. Binary income. This is very beautiful income of this company and very easier. Binary, you know, if you come, you first and you make your left and right, you means A and B. This is both your team. Here you and your first team A and second team B. If you join 40 bottles or 2 bottles, doesn't matter. If you reflected your percentage as per your joining packages, if you can earn binary 8% to 16% is depend on joining package. For example, if your first student left and right A, total create business 1 lakh by A team and save 1.20 lakhs creating arranged by business by second team. This is a binary matching. First, this is a system matching 1 lakh, 1.2 lakh, that's matching income is 1 lakh. 1 lakh, you will get your commission, your amount, your payout as per your joining package. If you have 8%, you can earn 8,000. If you have 16%, you can earn 16,000 rupees. But this is a binary concept. सर पूछ करिए फिर आगे चलो. Of this company, that's called generation income. Generation income. This is a beautiful concept of this company and beautiful, so beautiful way of income. Let's understand about this income. You and you have sponsor A and B. They also sponsor A and B, are creating team, both sides creating A and B, A and B. You will get 10% income. You will get 10% income of all in your entire team, both sides. Both sides. This income is unlimited. You can earn unlimited income, no capping. Without capping, you can earn more income, more than income, because your income is so higher, because it's to work not only you, because here work everyone for you. So your income increase day by day per head. You can purchase percentage of each person. For their income, you will get 10%, bottom to 10 to bottom. Now, and fourth income. Team development bonus. Team development bonus. This very nice income for new associates and new leaders, because this bonus is backbone of our newcomers and new associates and new leaders. Let's see, for example, if you want to get team development bonus, you and your team A and B. For team development bonus, for this qualified, you can create business 5,000 cc, 5,000 cc left and 5,000 cc right. When your business by left 500 cc or by right 500 cc, match the same week, you applicable for team development bonus. What the team development bonus? The company has provide you 2 bottles free for your conveyance, for your expense, for your marketing expense, for your field allowance.
Each and every week.
Each and every week. If you applicable, if you qualified for this every week, company has been providing you every week 2 bottles for your expense. You can sell it and owe you price and spend your money on your field, on your team. Next, awards and rewards. Company has been provided awards and rewards time to time to their associate company 16 rank, 16 rank, and total company provide the associate award and reward. Total income, by this 33 crore. 30 crore company has provided as per system to their associates, which applicable for this. Company had provided time to time foreign trip, yearly and half yearly. If you fill this criteria for half yearly, you can get, company had provided to you Asian country tour, and if you fulfill the yearly foreign trip, if you full the criteria for yearly, you will get Europe country. This is a free of cost. This is a quality of Renatus Wellness. This company think about you, about your family, about your future. This very reputation family, and feel very proud. I am become a part of Renatus Wellness and welcomes you, and I advise you, please come with us and join our team. Next, a great income. This calls royalty income. The royalty income, the global worldwide income, because our business is going 18 countries. This is take off from India and out of country going from India. This is the royalty income. You can say carefully, royalty income global worldwide. Global worldwide 2%. If all country make one financial year complete whole business, that company distributed equally in qualified achievers all world of income 2%. 2%. This is a very nice income. This company think about you, think your family, think your health, and think your health. That salute this company, and I advise you, please come with us, and we make a stronger bond, we make a strong family with Renatus Nova. Thank you all. Thank you. Rocky.